Hello everyone. This is Microsoft Mark, speaking on behalf of Fred Duckworth, Chief Strategist at Narrowgate Trading. It's Saturday, November 30th, 2024, and Fred just wanted to upload this short video clip to share his overall view of the 10 foreign currency pairs he watches. Now, to assess where a given currency pair is headed from day to day, Fred looks at the 4-day and 2-day price flows. Nonetheless, to get a beat on where price is headed over the longer haul, perhaps from week to week, Duckworth turns to the more stable 8 or 12-day measures. His recommended or suggested launch pads and landing sites for entering positions and taking profit are offered by the 1 and a half-day temporal support and resistance levels in tandem with the 15-hour price range envelope at 1% deviation. So, though the 2-hour price flow on the US dollar Swiss franc just went neutral over the past week and a half, the remaining measures are all still bullish. Consequently, this pair could turn north at any time, with Fred calculating significant 4-day support and monumental 4-day support at the levels plotted by these two parallel trend lines. The US dollar Canadian dollar is essentially in the exact same situation. On the other hand, the US dollar Japanese yen turned wholesale bearish last week and is presently sitting on monumental 4-day support. Duckworth is therefore going to have to wait for the pair to pull back to the 2 and a half-day temporal resistance level or the 15-hour statistical resistance level before considering entering a short position. The euro-dollar US dollar, which was already bearish since from about 9 weeks ago, has already pulled back to such levels, and is now approaching 4-day statistical resistance. Accordingly, Duckworth hopes to profit by selling this pair if it opts to reverse direction and begin heading south again sometime next week. The Aussie dollar Japanese yen is in a similar situation, except that it has yet to pull back to resistance, and even more so the euro yen and cable yen, which have both been bearish for 2 weeks now. A bearish British pound US dollar is rising against the dominant trend, but its price is nearing where Fred plots a significant 4-day resistance level, so Duckworth would not be surprised to see it turn south again sometime around the first half of next week. As for the Aussie dollar US dollar, it's sort of floating around in the middle of nowhere at the moment, whereas the euro-dollar British pound has returned to what appears to constitute a major support level that has been around for approximately 10 weeks, hinting at a possible profit-making opportunity from buying the pair, though with this many tests of this lower boundary, who's to say it hasn't been severely weakened at this point and perhaps even ready to give way? Only time will tell. But in the meantime, Duckworth wanted me to remind you that these are just his own personal ideas, and do not constitute recommendations to buy or sell any financial asset, and to also wish good luck to everyone. So until next time, may the peace of God be with you. Bye for now.